to hear another more from the most copied fund manager in the Philippines to learn about his strategy. Come on, let's give it up for Coach Mike Bazaar!
All right, thank you. Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you so much. Ayan, sa mga mahilig mangopya pag college, heads up na. Sino mga marunong mangopya nung college pa? Ayun, this talk is for you. Pwede nyo pa ikayaman yung skill nyo na yan. Alright, I'm gonna be talking about that this evening. We're gonna be learning, this afternoon pa pala, we're gonna be learning the strategy behind the most copied Forex fund. And why is this significant? It's because this is the hardest thing to do as a trader, become a fund manager. Bakit? Pinaka-importante is because it's transparent. Everyone can see your good trades, especially your bad trades. And that's the reason why konti lang mga Forex traders ang nagpapakopy because they don't want to be exposed with their mistakes in trading. So this takes a lot of skill. And this is proof enough that the strategy is working or not. This is the ultimate test of a trading strategy. Alright, so I'll give you a little bit of expectation setting. How much does a good and consistent Forex trader earn in a month? Question ko lang, sino newbie? Raise your hand if you're still a newbie and you wanted to go into a Forex trading. What's your name, sir? Yeah, Gab. How much do you think, in percentage, is the profit of a good and consistent trader? A month. Magkano kinikita niya? Percentage. There's no right or wrong answer. 10%. Very good. Any other answer? We have a 10%? 15%? Alright. Yes, you are? 1 to 2%. Alright. So, why is this important? Because I want to set the expectations, the realistic expectations of a new trader properly. Kasi baka iniisip nyo, ay gusto ko mag-trade, gusto ko maging Forex trader, or gusto ko maging crypto trader, because I want my 50,000 pesos maging 1,000,000 sa isang buwan, isang dalawang buwan. Alright? And that's usually the reason why you went in, because of that promise right there. But I want you to, a little bit of exercise, bring out your phone, and i-google nyo po, how much does a good and consistent trader earn in a month, and let me know what the answer is. At least si Google na ang magsasabi sa inyo, sa buong mundo yan, and that's the reality. Let me know what you find on your Google search for this. How much does a good and consistent Forex trader earn in a month? Anyone got an answer? 1 to 5%. Alright, so if you Google that, this is the answer that you are going to get. A good and consistent Forex trader typically targets a realistic monthly return of 2% to 5% of their account capital. This is a consistent in the long run. 2 to 5%. So meaning if ever you have a 100,000 pesos capital, in 1 month, no, tinabaho, let's say you get the best numbers, 5%. Sa 100,000 mo, 5% ang kinita mo. You earn 5,000 pesos. Ang laki. Now, actually, it's not that big. But, it's a big but. 5% in a year is around 60% capital. And that's very good growth kahit na magnegosyo ka, di ba? 60% earnings in a year is already a very big and good return in a business. And if Forex is a business also, those are very good numbers actually. Maliit lang tingnan kasi usually, ang capital natin maliit rin. Right? Reality check, while some traders might gain 10 to 20%, may nagsagot kanina 15%, there are months that will happen, that can happen. But not all trades are good. Minsan sobrang baba ni US dollar. Ngayon, sobrang baba ni piso. Maganda bumili ng piso ngayon. Right? If you have dollars, change it to peso right now kasi sobrang baba ng value ng peso. So these are good moments to buy. But these are seldom. Minsan lang ito nangyayari ang mga ganito. Remember when US dollar went to 48 pesos? Just 5-year pandemic, during that time, nag 48 pesos a dollar, we told our community, bumili kayo ng dollar ngayon kasi minsan lang ito mangyari. And if you bought at 48 pesos, imagine, dollar now is 61 pesos. Ang laki ng kinita nyo for buying that dollar. Those are very good trades, but those are rare and it does not happen often. Ang mga nakikita nyo sa YouTube na mga malalakihan nakita does not happen often. Hindi palaging ganyan. So please, we're going to set your expectations properly. Right? This is going to be a very important topic or note or key point of the talk. Transparency. Because here in Traders PH, our community, our biggest value is trust. Because we deal with people's money. Okay? Trust is very important. And to build trust, transparency is tantamount. Very important. So we always show our performances to back up the numbers that we are saying. So my trading strategy, the copy trading that is mentioned, the most copied one in the country, it's named Financial Freedom Fund. It has more than 1,000 copiers. This is the performance. 2025, the most important one, it averaged 4% a month. If you want to check this out, again, we want to build trust. This is on a public MyFX book. Kung gusto nyo pong tingnan, you can go to bit.ly/lbfxbook and you're gonna see these numbers. You scroll down lang nyo lang, makikita yung monthly breakout. This year, 2026, early January, nagkagera, inatake ni Trump si Venezuela. So, our performance is low, but at the very least, positive pa rin. March and April, you're gonna see there almost 4%, 3.34 for for April. So those are, again, according to Google, 4% is already a very good number, right? Returns. Remember, this is copy trading. I'm not gonna be talking much about copy trading, pero dadaanan ko lang. Copy trading means ako ang nagtatrade para sa inyo. Means, ako nagtatrabaho. These numbers are passive income for you. Imagine that, 4% in a month. Kung last year, 2025, your passive income in a year reached at least 50%. Wala kayong ginagawa, ako nagtatrabaho. And for passive income, that's already very good. Okay? 2024, yes, I traded very aggressively. At least sinasabi ko sa inyo, you can reach, it is possible to trade 20%, 11%, 8%, 13%, 15%. Because yung copy trading ko noon, I named it Road to Ferrari because I wanted it to be, pakita ko sa mga tao na kaya ko i-trade yung pera ko, Papa Ferrari. So I had to trade it high risk. It is doable, but the risks, you can also lose big. So I had to readjust it to 2025. President Donald Trump made the market crazy. I got affected by it. I had to readjust my strategy. And this is the result for 2025 onwards. It's not an easy year. Trade wars because of Trump has been challenging. Pero we're still closing these months with very positive. That is the strategy that I will be teaching you today. So this is the MyFX book, 2025. Started January 2025. Fast forward to today. This is the performance that you're going to see there. If you want to check it out once again, bit.ly/MyFXbook, 79% profits. All right. So, that's the strategy. How do you know that a strategy is good? Is it because a coach told you, eto kita ko this month with this strategy. Pwede nyo na akong bayaran. Tuturo ko sa inyo ito. Babayad kayo. That's one of the missions of Traders PH. We want to teach you for free. Lahat ng tinuturo namin sa inyo is transparent, it's honest, it's tested. Nakita nyo po yan since 2024, 2025, 2026. In fact, our MyFX book for our other strategies dates back still pandemic time, 2020 pa. Ganun po katagal tested. So these are the things that you need to look for. If a coach wants to tell you, eto yung strategy ko, eto babayaran ko, good, bayaran nyo. But make sure, it's transparent. Hindi lang sabi-sabi na, eto yung kininita ko this month. Has to be transparent for how many years. Number two, it's been tested. For how many years? and teachability. Is it easy to be taught? Is it easy to learn for you? So these are the three things that you need to check. And what if I tell you that there is a strategy that will teach you that you earn 4%, 3% in a month, and it's free and it's been tested? Question is, are you going to learn it? Yes or no? Let's go. Let's start. The core qualities, tapos na yan. So, the financial freedom strategy, ito yung technique, and this is the strategy that I am using on that. Why am I letting people copy trade me? Number one reason, para lahat ng Pilipino, wala nang rason para kumita sa Forex. Right? Everyone, kahit hindi para sa yung Forex, kahit doktor ka, kahit engineer ka and you're working, if you're old, you can still earn in Forex through copy trading. Just copy me, ako na magtatrabaho para sa'yo. Number two, I want to show to everyone, I want to be transparent to everyone, that the strategy we are using is working because we are teaching it for free. And we want all Filipinos to learn how to trade. And we want to show you that it works. Shadow technique is a culmination of more than a decade of teaching, trading resulting in the most efficient method of teaching and learning how to trade. Hindi lang po siya strategy. We created this because it is the best way, pinakamaganda at pinakamadaling paraan para kayo ay matuto mag-trade. This is not just a technique na bilhin niyo kayo dito, ganito, ganyan. No. This is a technique for teaching also. So there are two major parts kasi sa trading. Raise your hand if you think trading is hard. Raise your hand if you think trading is hard. Yeah, don't be shy. Because it took me 2 to 3 years to learn this. Right? Trading is not easy at all. It is hard. There are two parts of trading that you need to learn. And this is what makes trading very hard. Naririnig nyo kanina, 80% of the traders fail or quit on the first year, second year. These are the two reasons. Dalawa kasi, execution and analysis. Trading execution is the how. This is the easy part. This is the process of completing a buy. Technically, kailangan nyo pag-aralan paano mag-create ng broker account, anong pipindutin to buy, anong pipindutin to sell, ano yung stop loss, ano yung advance orders, limit orders. So those are hard by itself. So you have to learn that. But at the same time, you have to learn analysis also. Dalawang klase analysis, technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Right? Technical analysis, basically, yung pagbabasa ng chart. That's tiring. I don't like that. But the reality is you have to do that as a trader. Am I right? That's the hardest part. Because that is when you know when to trade. And it's not easy. Fundamental analysis, ito na yung mga news. Ano ba economic news ni US ngayon? Their inflation rate, their employment rate, is it good, is it bad? Kasi it affects the movement of the charts. You have to learn this also. Learning this both, ito pa lang alone. Once you sit down, it's time to trade, you see this. As a newbie, kayo dyan, mami, pagtingin nyo dito, gusto nyo mag-trade kaagad or atras na kayo? Atras agad kayo, di ba? Because trade analysis is very hard. For a newbie, for a non-techie person, this is already intimidating. This is one of the biggest reasons bakit ayaw ko na agad mag-trade. Dito pa lang. And this is the very basic thing for trading that you need to understand. Right? This is analysis. And because of that, it becomes frustrating and you don't want to trade anymore. You don't want to learn. Especially Pinoy, mga tamad. Right? Shadow technique. We made learning how to trade easier by eliminating analysis. Yung chart na yon, tatanggalin muna namin yon. So that you can focus on execution muna. Right? How do we do that? How did we do that? Trading, sir, nagtutrade kayo na walang chart? How do you do that? That's the answer, right there. Remember my question when we started? Sino marunong mangopya? What if, pakita ko sa inyo trading account ko, oy, nag-trade si Sir Lloyd nito. Tingnan ko lang. Execute ko rin. That is how we eliminate analysis. This is basically shadow technique. We show you our trades and you duplicate it manually onto your account. Iba siya sa copy trading. Copy trading, I trade, your accounts automatically trades. You earn passively. This one, I trade, you see my account, you duplicate it manually. Kokopyahin nyo muna para malaman nyo anong pipindutin and everything. This is manual copying. This is basically shadow technique. Right? Shadow technique from a learning method, shadowing. This is one of the best way to learn a skill. You shadow someone, tingnan mo yung ginagawa niya, and you learn it on your, gaya pala ganito itong ginagawa niya, kasi ganito, ganyan. It's a better way to teach you how to trade. Kaysa sa magbayad kayo ng coach, tapos turuan kayo, ito yung strategy ko, ito yung stop loss natin, ito yung buy natin, kayo na bahala dyan after. Bayaran nyo na ako eh. Diba? Here, I'm gonna be trading, we're gonna be trading. If you're free, if you check my account, meron trade, you trade it on your account. This is my target profits. You also set it on yours. If I profit, I'll tell you, I'm gonna close it, you're gonna close yours. Bam, you know how to execute trades. This is the best way to teach how to trade. But none of the other coaches do this because nakikita yung trade ko. Pag mali ako, what are you gonna say about me? I'm a bad trader. Right? But since we're confident and you have our trust, we show even our trades to you guys. You can copy our trades. That's how you will learn with shadow technique. So now, it is like this. Things to learn to do in trading. As a newbie, ito yung kakainin nyo, charting, monitoring economic news, learn how to open close, learn trading terms that are essential to trading. How it's gonna look like now with the trading system that we're teaching is this. We eliminate the hard parts so you can focus on the execution and you can learn at your own pace. Is it easier now? Yes or no? Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna be teaching you now a little bit about the strategy so that you'll understand how the strategy works. Hindi lang pangungopia. So you have to understand the strategy. This is just general. A full step-by-step video and course is available once you enroll for the strategy. Okay? But the strategy is technically looking for retracements. Sino alam ano retracements? Pullbacks, bounce. What are retracements? Yes. Wait, what are retracements? What are retracements? Hindi, nag-raise rin siya ng kamay niya. But technically, what you're saying is, when a trend happens, when a price moves, like maybe down, in this case right here, pabagsak yung presyo, di ba? Overall, prices do not go down in a straight line. It will go down and overextend and then does a retracement, pullback, or a bounce. Those are retracements and these are our cash cows. These retracements right here, these bounces right here. Right, the ultimate bounce is the reversal. Kung mahuli natin yan, that's the best one. Right? So that is a retracement and that's what we're gonna be looking for in the strategy. So, on a normal trend, meaning it's not affected by any news or anything, normal movement lang siya. Pakit economy nila, it's going down. It's not gonna go down right away. It's gonna go down slowly and then retrace, go down, retrace. Right? So on a normal trend, when a price moves too much, a retracement or correction is likely going to happen. It usually happens, especially on low-risk pairs, which you will know along the way. Okay? So it will always happen as long as normal lang ang news. So our task, the strategy is to look for overextended. This also happens. Sobrang taas ng binagsak. And the lower it goes, the higher the possibility of a what? Of a bounce, of a retracement. That's what we're going to be catching with the strategy. Okay? Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-abang nito. Don't worry. You're not gonna do this. Kasi kami na nag-chart para sa inyo. Tignan nyo na lang kung may trade ako, meaning meron ng ganito. Right? But that's the strategy, at least you understand. So now, what we do is, if there's an overextended movement, we start buying. Hindi naman natin mapipredict na hanggang dito, magbabounce agad yan. Antayin ko na lang dito, sir. Dito na ako magbabay. But do you know that it will bounce here or here? No one knows. So the strategy is, we start buying. If it's already overextended, there's already a high chance of it bouncing, we buy. And if it goes further down, we buy some more. And then if it goes further down, we buy some more. And remember, a retracement is usually, malaki ang chance for a retracement to happen as long as hindi naman ito gawa ng news. As long as this is just a normal price action. Right? So, we buy, and then when we hit the reversal, the longer the movement, the higher the chance of the retracement to happen. So, if it bounces, we have positions here at the bottom. If it goes up, we profit there, we close the trade there. That's basically the strategy. Again, hindi nyo na kailangan to gawin. Kami na gumagawa nito. Inyo na lang, antayin nyo na lang yung buy namin or tsaka sell namin. But that's the strategy. So we buy, and then we hit the bottom and we get it. Then we can also sell, and then we hit there. So that's the main strategy right there. Our bot, Izanagi, our account, has been doing it for so many years already. 6,000 trades. With this strategy, the win rate is 71%. You can check this out sa my FX book na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. That's the win rate. If you Google, ano ba magandang win rate? 50% is already a very good win rate. Yet we hit 71%. This is already a very good win rate. Now, every buy or every trade that we do, we call this levels. Level 1 ang una na buy. If it goes further down, we buy some more. This level 1, level 2, level 3. That's very important. If it goes further down, we go level 4, level 5. If you check out our statistics from level 1 to all our levels, the statistics is at 71%. But what if, sir, level 5 lang ang kunin ko, antayin ko yung level 5 mo? And this is basically what we're gonna teach you. Antayin mo yung level 5 namin. Kasi usually level 5 is the major supports. Antayin nyo yung level 5, that's the best entry right there. Pag nakita nyo, oy, nag-level 5 na si level sir, bilhin ko na rin. What do you think is the win rate if you buy on the level 5? If you copy the level 5 trade? This is the copy trading again, and I do only level 5 trades. The win rate rockets to 83%. If I tell you, bilhin nyo si odd, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, that's an 83% win rate. Are you gonna buy that also? Yes. Again, if you want to check these numbers out, go to bit.ly/TPFX. This is transparency, my friend. This is honesty. This is real numbers that have been tested. Okay? So 83%, ganun po kaganda ang win rate natin. Question, if you see my trade and you saw that the trade is now at level 5, at 83% win probability trade, would you shadow the trade onto your account? Yes or no? Yes. Let's go. That's how easy trading is with shadow technique. Ganito ang itsura. How does it look like, sir, if I want to trade shadow technique? Again, we're gonna give you our account, which is gonna look like this, MT4. Antayin nyo lang ang level 5. You will have access to our trading account. We'll give you access to this. Meron ka ng kodigo. Meron ka ng sinisilip na trade ng magaling na trader. That's the first step. Now, you can tell the levels by its lot sizes. These are the lot sizes. 0.1, that's level 1. That's the first buy. 0.2, that's the second buy. 0.3, third buy. 0.4, 0.5 is level 5. Pag may nag-0.5 na dyan sa kodigo nyo, anong gagawin mo? Trade it on your account. Pag level 4 pa lang, uy, level 4 na, magle-level 5. Malapit na ang trade. Pwede na ako mag-advance order. Ay, baka matulog ako. Level 4 na. Mag-advance order ka lang para level 5. You will know where I'll put my level 5. Matulog ka, pagising mo, may level 5 entry ka na. Automatic, kahit natutulog ka. Right? So, ganun lang. If you see a 0.5 trade, lot size, that means that this level is level 5 trade. That's what you duplicate. That's what you copy onto your account. And then, matututunan nyo na, kaya pala ganito. Kaya pala dito ang PP. Paano ba nagre-risk management to? You can learn trading at your own pace this time. because hindi na kayo kailangan umupo sa chart ng ilang oras. Antayin nyo lang yung trades namin. This is a good foundation for your trading skills. This builds you patience. And makikita nyo naman, this will build your patience with your profits. It's working as long as you follow the strategy. As long as you're contented with 5% a month, 3%, 4% a month, the strategy is for you. I just want to take... Sino lang si shadow sa akin dito? Sino nakaka-copy trade sa Financial Freedom Fund? Raise your hands. Wala pa nagda-trade, magka-copy trade. Alright, so si Financial Freedom Fund, I'll get you the numbers lang muna. Si Financial Freedom Fund trades at $1,000 per 0.01 na trade. And these are the numbers that you're seeing right here. 6%, 7%, 4%. Shadow Technique has lower capital. $500 for 0.01. What I mean by that is, sa $500 na 0.1, mas malaki in percentage ang kita nyo kaysa sa 1,000. So the numbers here, the numbers you're seeing here is half the real result. Kasi I'm a fund manager, I have to keep it safe as much as possible. But on your end, you can put it on a max risk settings sa $500 per trade. Minimum natin yan, $500. So meaning, if I earned 7.85% on $1,000, if you have $500, this number should be doubled. So in fact, kaya nyo kumita ng 14%. In fact, ginawa ko na po yan. Again, I'm not going to be putting out numbers out from thin air. These are numbers that you can do. Nagagawa ko po yan. It's just that I have to make it safer for the copiers since fund manager na ako ngayon. Alright? So those are doable numbers. So I'm almost done. The biggest question is, and pinakita na sa inyo kanina to ni Coach John, but we're very proud that our community has created. In fact, we're the only community that created so many millionaires already. Coach Arthur Santos is already a coach in our community also. He's an OFW from Singapore, nag-retire na, full-time trader. Coach Dorothy, also, and Al Abaw. These are OFW workers who are now traders and are earning very good in their trading. It's because they understand the strategy and they understand the psychology needed behind it. As long as contento kayo sa 4%, 5%, you should be good. Ang tendency lang talaga is gusto nyo more. Kung gusto ko, 100,000 kapital ko, kumita ako ng 30,000 this month. Again, that's 30%. That's crazy, doable, but it's gonna be very risky. You have to be very good. I can do that, but don't expect that you can do that on your first, second year of trading. Okay? Next question is, pinaka-importante, magkano ba ang babayaran nyo para matutunan nyo ang trading strategy ko? How much? It's free. Again, Traders PH is committed to that. Libre lang po ang tinuturo namin na strategy. You can copy trade me. Ako magtrabaho para sa inyo. Share lang tayo sa profits. Or, gusto nyo matuto paano ako ginagawa? It's free. Libre lang po yan. Can I get a round of applause if gusto nyo po yan? Alright, let's go. It's free. Just register to the Traders PH app. Traders PH, we are committed to making trading easy for you. Sinigaw nyo kanina, let's make trading easy together. We have an app. May courses dyan na libre lahat. From basics to a 30-day course to learn how to trade. Shadow Technique is there. Copy trading is there in that app. Screenshot nyo lang to para puntahan nyo to mamaya. Register to this app. Everything there is for free. Wala nang rason para hindi kayo yumaman sa Forex. Right? We're very proud of this. We're the first trading community with an all-in-one application. Your courses are there for free. Our webinars every week, meron tayong mga coaches na binabayaran namin, hindi nyo kailangan magbayad. Every week, nagtuturo yan, andyan, libre, live inside the app. Community is there, you can communicate with us. Chat support is free. Our copy trading can be found there. Our community can help you through the support button right here. Kung gusto nyo mo kong mag-copy trade sa akin, pwede kayong tulungan namin. Andyan po lahat. So register lang po kayo. Again, bit.ly/tphfx. Now, sorry. So, di ba ang dali na ng trading strategy na tinuro ko sa inyo? But we still want to make it easier for you guys. Instead na tignan nyo po at antayin nyo yung level 5 na trade namin, how about we notify you in the app na lang? Oy, meron ng level 4, magle-level 5 na. Oy, level 5 na. Ping! How's that sound? You like that? Round of applause for our team sa Traders PH. I'm really appreciative of the team. Because again, everything is free. Hindi po mura maggawa ng app. But everyone is sacrificing to make trading easy for you guys. So hopefully, ma-appreciate nyo po. Test it out. Right? Wala po kayong mabayaran dyan. Right?